Well, it's coming to that time now where things are starting to need to be moved on, to be transplanted. And you can see we've got all these plants here. Down below, we've got some poppies and a weed probably, I don't know what it is, but these are a giant kunara. So some of those will um, be put into little pots, and then what I'll do then transplant them when they're a bit bigger into the garden. I'm not sure what these are, folks. They were bought as blue dahlias, and whatever they are, they're nice strong plants. Just look at that. Anyone know what they are? Well, they're going to be transplanted. I'll probably do those first. You can see over here, these are dahlias. These are pinata. They need transplanting. Got some dahlia tubers down here, which got nice shoots on. They can go in the ground soon. Only 3 of them have shoots on. The others must be dead. What else we got? I've got to do some more cosmos. You can see the plants what I transplanted are looking really good. Look at that. So there's lots happening. I'm also going to try and do a video. I've had a request to do some sowing some pansy seeds, so I will try and do that as well. So I'm just going to get myself organised now. I'm going to get some soil into the into my trays, shuttle trays, and then I'll start with the transplanting. Okay, folks, I have now filled myself 15 little pots with soil, and I'm using a dibber. I'm just going to dib a little hole in the centre just to start me off. You could do this with your finger, and I'm just thinking, let's just work this out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 in there. I've got 3 in there. So I'm gonna sow these 2 trays here. I don't know what these are. I'm going to make sure I label them up as blue dahlia, even though they're not, so I know that I don't know what they are. Can you see? No, you can't. Let me just alter the camera. Okay. So again, like I've done in previous videos, I'm just going to use the label to break the soil up in a circle around the plant. And at this point I can't get on with gloves doing this, so and that's the root system. There you are, folks. I've no idea what this is. Do you know? I'm gonna plant them on anyway. Number 1. And then we've got 1 more. making sure the roots are covered so the plant doesn't cause the plant to dry up. So we've got 3 in there. I'm going to use the existing label and then I'm going to write 2 new ones, so each plant has got its own label. A couple of labels here. Got a marker pen. I'm just going to mark it up as Dahlia, blue, question mark. That way I'll remember what I've got. Because there isn't blue dahlias, not that I can find anyway. And the leaf is completely different to a dahlia, so whatever it is. You know what, I'm wondering whether it's like a zinnia type. I don't know, I really don't know. Right, so that's those labelled up. Now let's crack on with these. A bit dry these are, going to need a good watering. Very dry. Can't believe that after all the watering what I've been doing. So folks, I hope you've been enjoying the videos I've been putting up. I'm trying to do a variety. Yeah? Pardon? Oh, hi, hang on a minute. So sorry about that, folks. I had to rush out. I wondered what it was. It was the nurse come to see Mum. I totally forgot that we give her a with the catheter maintenance every week on a Wednesday. Slipped my mind. Right. So they're Dahlia pinato. At this point folks, make sure you label everything up. Now I've got to be in I'm in a bit of a rush now, so what I'm going to do is make sure that each row's got a label, but I will put a label in every one at another time. And because they were so dry, I'm going to make sure they have a good watering now. And hopefully, yes, I've got some water. Not sunny today, so that should be enough just to let them settle in. They are going to bend over a little bit, but give it a day or two and they should be upright. And normally I use one of these folks. I use one of these for watering when they're delicate. It's got its own wand. But as I say, I'm rushing a bit. So I'm going to leave this now, and I'll do another video when I do a bit more. Okay folks, bye for now.